Welcome to Inner Spring, your follicular phase. So this phase is all about rise, awaken, clarity, becoming centered, having flow, being open and preparing. So we're going to be looking at how this can be affected by your nutrition, hydration, and more importantly, movement. So what is happening with your body in your follicular phase? So estrogen begins rising again and your ovaries prepare follicles, each holding a potential egg. Your system is literally rebuilding after the release of your bleed. Many ladies feel clearer, lighter and more curious here. It's like your biology is gently waking you back up. So one of my personal stories is for breathwork. So I used to smoke. Yep, I did. I used to smoke probably about 30 cigarettes a day. And my body was constantly fighting with itself. And the moment I realised that breathwork could replace cigarettes became an absolute ritual for me. It really gave me something to reach for instead. And honestly, it was really powerful how my follicular energy really helped me to build momentum when I quit something. So in my BHR framework, body, heart, release, when we're going through the follicular phase, we want to look at life, try something new, try a fresh movement or a fresh flow. This is what you can do with your body. With your heart, set intentions or dream a little bigger. And releasing, you can clear out clutter or start something you've been putting off. This is such a natural reset window. If you'd like to keep journeying with me, there are different branches you can explore, whether that's reading Womb Warriors Unite, my book, available on Amazon, listening to the Whispers of the Womb podcast, or stepping into a complete cycle, a complete return to yourself. My 28-day program guiding you through winter, spring, summer and autumn in your own body. And if you're craving deeper roots and real-time support, there's my membership, the BHR Collective, or one-to-one coaching working directly with me. Just choose the branch that feels right for you right now. So come and join me for day one of your inner spring, your follicular phase, where we will look at the importance of how you can rise up and embrace that spring journey. So I'll see you on the mat.